Hi guys, it's Lisa with Your Castle Real Estate. I don't need to tell you that COVID has impacted our lives in countless ways, and that includes real estate. Here in Colorado, we've been under either stay-at-home or safer-at-home orders for about 8 weeks now, which comes with a ton of restrictions, as you know. For me, it was kind of a tricky time to get into real estate, but I felt confident that the market here wouldn't suffer too much. I tend to be a little bit too optimistic sometimes, but it turns out I was right. It's looking pretty good for us. So today I'm going to break down the current real estate trends. We're going to look at a few things: number of showings, new listings, and closings, all based on price point. So let's dive in. For the under $300,000 range, showings are already back to last year's rates, even with the restrictions in place. New listings have doubled from the last few weeks as well, which is good news for buyers. More homes to choose from. Closings are still down, but it's only a matter of time until we see all the new contracts come to fruition. For the homes in the $300,000 to $500,000 range, showings are actually above last year's rates. This tends to be our strongest sector here in Denver, so it's no surprise that buyers are rushing out after being cooped up and looking at homes. Two other encouraging stats: under contract count and new listings are both more than double what they were a few weeks ago. For homes between $500,000 and $900,000, again, showings are already higher than last year's rates. New showings and listings have tripled since the last few weeks, which isn't too surprising considering showings and listings were much lower than usual during the stay-at-home order. As for the luxury market, these homes are taking a little longer to recover, but there are still new listings and lots of homes to look at. Although this segment experienced more withdrawn listings than last, more homes are going under contract. Okay, so you may be thinking, cool stats, Lisa, but what does all of this mean? Well, it means that the real estate market in Denver continues to be strong. For better or worse, our home prices aren't dropping significantly, if at all. We may not be experiencing quite the same growth that we typically do this time of year, but there's no doubt that we'll make a strong recovery. All right, that's all I got for today. Check back next week for another installment of Talk Real Estate to Me.